welcome to our channel. So today we are going to be making sweet pongal. So for that I have here quarter cup of rice and quarter cup of moong dal and 1 cup of jaggery, 3 tablespoons of ghee, a handful of raisins and cashews, and I have here natural camphor and 2 cardamom. Now I am going to wash the rice and dal and pressure cook both of them together for around 3 whistles. So the rice and dal has boiled now, so this is the after it has boiled. So now I am going to mash it, not entirely but partially. It has mashed now. In a pan, add water and let it boil. So once it has boiled, add the jaggery and stir it well until all the jaggery melts and it is in form of a syrup. You can add a teaspoon of ghee so that it is shining. So the jaggery has melted. You can turn off the heat. Keep it aside and let it cool. In a pan, add ghee, 3 tablespoons. Add the cashews. Add the raisins. Fry till it's golden brown. Turn off the heat. Now to this, add the jaggery by filtering it. Now turn on the heat. Add the cardamom and camphor. Mix it well. Now to this, add the boiled rice and dal mixture, which is mashed. Mix it all well together. Keep stirring until it reduces. Add little ghee. Add more ghee so it enhances the taste. Keep stirring until you can see the ghee forming on the sides. It is semi-solid now, but once it cools down, it is going to become thick. So you can turn off the heat now. You can see the oil has formed on the sides. So I am turning off the heat. So it's done. Our sweet pongal is now ready. Do try this out. This is really tasty and yummy as well. Usually they make this during festivals and all that. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos.